Alisha King, and I made a steering rover, and I'm going to show you how it works and how I made it. So, goal. My goal is to make a steering rover. A steering rover is a machine that goes forwards and backwards, depending on how you code it. It is shaped like a car, and it works like a car. Design/build. In this build, I used buttons, motors, beams, bevel gear, half bushings, 3M pegs, small wheels, and wires. Program. I used Lego Mindstorm NXT to code. The blocks I used were loops, switch, and move. Test and rethink. Actually, things didn't come as planned. First, I accidentally placed a part in a wrong space, and then when I finally realized I made a mistake, I had to redo it. So I had to break the whole thing up. Second, my code went wrong on a spot. My code went wrong on the spot, and I had to recheck it, and then I finally got it. I could have been wrong, but now I will show you. Now I will show you how a steering rover works. Or do I disconnect it or not?
Well, that's fine. We're fine.
Okay, so it's gonna be a bit hard because it's connected to wires. So first it goes forward and then it goes backward. But sometimes if you just press like that, it's just gonna go like that. So, but if you just do that, it's gonna keep doing the same thing. So if you try doing it, then you have to. If you're trying to go forward, then you have to try to push it forward. But don't disconnect it, or else the buttons won't work because it's not connected. So it won't work if you keep doing it. So if I was trying to walk, then I would like that. But if you're trying to make it look really weird, then that looks really weird. So for me, normally I would have to do this and then carry it back up. Or if you just want it to go forward and back, then you just go forward and you go back. So.
Okay. Is there anything else on your robot? Anything else your robot can do?
I don't think so, not yet, but I can code it someday. So, someday I might be able to make it turn or something like that. So.
I think it can turn. What about moving the wheel? Remember?
Oh, you're right. Also, it can.
You have to turn it fast.
The wheel turn. Okay. And then if I go. Oh, gosh, just wait. Okay, I think that's how it works. Is that how it works?
Turn it quickly. The other way. There you go.
Oh, gosh. Sometimes it doesn't work though. So let me just. There you go. It goes like that. And if you want it to go right, you can't do it all the way. So you have to tilt it a bit. I think this is how it goes. Yeah, it goes like that. And you can also just turn it back. There you go. And the part that I got a mistake on was right here where my fingers are.
Mm-hmm.
It was right here on the back.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. I made a mistake and I put it over here instead of over here onto the connected. So I had to break up this whole entire thing and I did connect it again.
Okay, perfect. Does anyone have any questions for her?
Yes. Does all four wheels turn when you
No.
push forward or backwards, or only some of them turn?
No, just two.
Just two.
Just the front. Cause kind of like when you're it's like a cat. You just if you turn its paws this way, it's gonna when it's walking, it's just gonna go this way. So when you turn it and then you make it go forward, then it goes just this way. But it only does it for these two wheels. Because if it probably did the same, then it would just go one direction. So I think that'd be a bit messy. So
Okay.
So we just did the front wheels.
Does anyone else have any questions for her? No? All right, let's give her a round of applause.